Everyone, a special thank you to Timothy in Marietta, Georgia. This is freeprescriptionlenses.com, where everyone loves a bargain and no one is disappointed with quality. As I keep telling myself, am the hardest working man in the industry. My name is Seymour Better, but call me Mo. Mo Better, because I'm out here seeing Mo Better, looking Mo Better, and show everyone else how I bring that loving feeling back to glasses when I show you Timothy's Ray-Ban 5279. He's getting color 5540, which is the Greyhorn Gradient, and size 53. Now, the Greyhorn Gradient looks like the, I guess, gray buffalo horn is what they're trying to say, but it's got a blue gradient to it. It looks really, really nice. And of course, he got the Zeiss Photofusion, polycarbonate Photofusion gray with the Duravision chrome anti-glare coating. You're getting all the manufacturer's original packaging from Zeiss, including the prescription for the right eye, prescription for the left eye. They're marked left and aura for right. You're going to get the original packaging from Ray-Ban, including the hard shell Ray-Ban case with Ray-Ban cleaning cloth on the inside, the original demo lenses from the frame, and of course Zeiss premium microfiber cleaning cloth, one of my own cleaning cloths, and of course, as I mentioned before, your third cleaning cloth, the Ray-Ban one. But let me show you what they look like. Now this frame comes in about 4 or 5 colors. Comes in 2 sizes, a 53 and a 55. It ranges in price from $143, which is the cost of this frame, up to $183 for other colors. I don't know why there's a $40 difference in the colors. You can write a letter to Mr. and Miss Ray-Ban to ask why, and in that letter just say, why? They can answer for you. Let me go ahead, let me clean these lenses. I field test every cleaning cloth, so this is literally the one that Timothy's getting. So Timothy, when you get these in the mail, you see those wrinkles in there, you know that it works. You can't tell me you can't clean your lenses with that cloth, because I just did it. So this is how they look while the Photofusion gray with Duravision chrome while they are clear. I'm going to go ahead and close them, expose them to a strong burst of ultraviolet light. Now, as you can see, it takes about 30 to 45 seconds for the lenses to darken, a little bit longer when you come back inside, 45 seconds to a minute 15. Now, all photochromic lenses will get dark on day 1 and continue to darken every day for the first couple weeks or exposed to the sun. After that, they will work for years at maximum performance. The only time they won't work is if you're behind the windshield of a car. Your windshield absorbs all the sun's harmful ultraviolet rays that would cause your dashboard to crack from sitting in the sun all day, and that's why they don't turn dark in a car. Now, if you have a convertible or a motorcycle, they will darken. The other thing about all photochromic lenses, they're temperature sensitive, meaning they will get darker when it's 85 and below than they will when it's 95 and above. But I remind everyone, when it's 100 degrees outside, you're miserable, they're miserable. Nobody or nothing works 100% when it's 100 degrees outside. We all work much better when it cools off. Now, having said that, there's also the Photofusion Extra Gray that will get darker in hotter weather. But this is September. Hopefully the hottest days are behind us and cooler weather is setting in, and you won't have that option now. The Photofusion Gray, as seen here, also comes in brown, green, and blue for $99. The extra dark gray is $129. It costs more because it does more. Now, the other nice thing about the Zeiss photochromic lenses, they have the built-in blue light protection. These will block 30 to 50% of the harmful blue light emitted from today's electronic devices, such as cell phones or tablets. The extra dark gray blocks up to 70%. Now, the Duravision Chrome anti-glare, I'll have a link in the description below, both for the Photofusion lenses and for the anti-glare coatings as well. Of course, there'll be a link in the description below for anyone who wants to see all the various sizes and colors that this frame comes in. But the Duravision Chrome anti-glare reduces glare when driving at night, particularly driving at night in the rain. But street lights, stoplights, computer screens, overhead, and fluorescent lights, such as the ones I have above me. It also has anti-reflective qualities as well as a premium scratch coating. Now, if you have any questions, go to the Contact Me page of the website. You can also email me directly at freeprescriptionlenses@gmail.com. You can also leave a question or comment in the comment section below. If you want to talk to a real live operator, you can call 919-491-2411, and Jigsaw will answer the phone in whatever language you would like to speak in. I'm bi-illiterate. I'm illiterate in 2 languages, where Jigsaw knows he's illiterate in many languages. So Call up whatever language you want to speak, he'll hang with you. Trust me. So, but that's that. If you've liked this video, give me the thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and then click the bell icon so you'll get notified every time there's a new frame and lens combination as it becomes available. That's it. Again, I'm drawing a blank. Timothy in Marietta, Georgia. Thank you so much for the purchase of the Ray-Ban 5279 color 5540 in the 53 eye size. And now hopefully with your Zeiss Photofusion gray lenses with the Duravision Chrome anti-glare. And now hopefully everyone else has gotten a chance to see how I bring that loving feeling back to glasses. Thank you.